Did you still remember the childhood dream of flying, which like a bird flying to the sky? A real bird should flap wings, overlooking the ground that has got along with day and night. Let the dream return. Will the flying dream forgotten long awake with the flapping wings, lightly gliding in the sky until the distance? Here is the dazzling technology and human dance. Behind each flying dream are hundreds of thousands of practices and excellent innovation thought. Implant and Aircraft Fab is a Chinese company owned by French. Every improvement, every pursuit of perfection, the flying dream will go higher and farther. In addition to the fixed-wing aircraft, flapping-wing aircraft produced by Implant is the only air vehicle with emergency landing capacity in the world. The whole subject of mechanical flight was so far from having attracted the general attention of physicists or engineers that it was generally considered to be a field fitted rather for the pursuits of the charlatan than those of the man of science. Consequently, he who was bold enough to enter it found almost none of those experimental data which are ready to hand in every recognized and reputable field of scientific labor.
只是30年前我在哈佛学生物力学的时候，读到一篇文章，这文章说，人类和鸟相比，相同的结构，人只需要增加3个马力，那么一个摩托车就有30马力。要这样说，这是一个机会，我们能做得到。
When we are still struggling to survive in the two-dimensional traffic, struggling in the crowd of people at the airport, the people of Implant have been with flying dreams return. The city sky belongs to real birds.